3 best resources for learning programming. Number 1 is FreeCodeCamp. FreeCodeCamp has free courses on all programming languages. They have courses on software architecture. They have courses ranging from Java, Swift, C++, C#, all the program languages. Anything you need to learn, FreeCodeCamp is the best resource out there. They have their own website where you can follow their pre-made programs. These programs are developed by software engineers, working professionals who want to contribute back to the software engineering community. So check out FreeCodeCamp. They have tons of courses and tutorials on how you can learn programming. Number 2 is Udacity. Udacity has been one of my personal favorite tools for learning programming. And not only programming, it also teaches you about interviews. They have courses on software architecture and so on. Udacity is an online learning institute based out of California. They have these programs called a nano degree. So a nano degree is essentially something that you would learn in a coding bootcamp, but condensed in an online version. Say, for example, one of the nano degrees that I took was artificial intelligence programming with Python. So all the material, all the fundamentals you need to learn, they'll condense it down into 4 weeks, 6 weeks, or 8 weeks worth of material. So aside from nano degrees, which are paid programs, they also have tons of free courses. So you can log on to their website, go to udacity.com, just create an account, and you can browse all their free courses there. Some of my personal favorite ones are their Android development courses, their iOS development, and their software engineering interviews courses. Third best resource online to learn programming or any subject for that matter is YouTube. There's tons of independent creators online that publish so many amazing tutorials, courses, as well as guides on how you can become a software engineer, how you can become a better programmer or better coder. Make sure you consume as much content as possible on YouTube, following all sorts of creators, following their courses and so on. So these are my personal 3 favorite resources that I've used to learn programming myself: FreeCodeCamp, Udacity, and just YouTube, online information in general. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys would want me to make a technical series where I do a programming course or something like that. I know I did start a Python series a while back, a couple of years ago. I think 2-3 years ago, I did a Python series on my course. But if you want me to do another one, like a technical, more focused one, let me know in the comments down below and we'll do that. So make sure you guys subscribe and click here to check out my past video. So I'll see you guys later.